we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
And in fact, if you have a HDD, more memory usage would theoretically increase battery performance, because there is less HDD activity when memory is used as cache. Instead, installing more memory will decrease the amount of paging, so decreasing the amount of HDD activity, and draining much less of your battery power.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.